For Dallas homeowners, energy efficiency isn't just a buzzword, it's a practical necessity. With long, hot summers, rising utility costs, and frequent use of air conditioning, inefficient windows can quickly drive up energy bills. As a result, many homeowners are considering energy-efficient windows as a smart upgrade. But one of the most common questions is, how much do energy-efficient windows actually cost in Dallas, and what should homeowners expect from that investment? Understanding the costs and benefits can help you make a confident, informed decision. What makes a window energy efficient? Before discussing costs, it's important to understand what qualifies a window as energy efficient. These windows are designed to reduce heat transfer and air leakage, helping homes stay cooler in summer and more comfortable year-round. Common energy-efficient features include double or triple pane insulated glass, low E, low emissivity, coatings that reflect heat, insulated frames and tight weather seals. Argon or krypton gas fills between panes. Each feature contributes to performance and influences cost. Average cost range for Dallas homes. In Dallas, the cost of energy-efficient windows varies based on window size, style, materials, and installation requirements. Homeowners can generally expect basic energy-efficient windows, lower-end pricing for standard sizes and styles, mid-range options, enhanced glass packages and upgraded frames, premium windows, advanced insulation, specialty glass, and custom sizing. While upfront costs are higher than standard windows, energy-efficient options offer long-term financial benefits. Factors that influence window pricing. Several factors affect the final cost of energy-efficient windows in Dallas. Window type: double-hung, casement, slider, and picture windows all vary in price. Operable windows with complex hardware often cost more than fixed designs. Frame material. Vinyl is typically the most affordable option, while fiberglass and composite frames may cost more but offer added durability. Glass package. Upgraded glass with low E coatings and gas fills increases efficiency and price, but delivers better performance in Dallas heat. Installation complexity. Homes with older frames, structural adjustments, or custom openings may require additional labor. Installation costs matter just as much. Professional installation is essential for maximizing window performance. Poor installation can negate the benefits of even the most advanced window. Installation costs typically cover removal of old windows, proper sealing and insulation alignment, and testing. While professional installation adds to the upfront cost, it protects your investment and ensures long-term efficiency. Long-term energy savings offset the initial cost. One of the biggest advantages of energy-efficient windows is reduced energy consumption. In Dallas, where air conditioning runs for much of the year, the savings can be substantial. Homeowners often experience lower monthly cooling bills, reduced strain on HVAC systems, more consistent indoor temperatures. Over time, these savings help offset the initial cost of new windows. Improved comfort adds value beyond dollars. Energy-efficient windows don't just save money, they improve daily comfort. Benefits include fewer hot spots near windows, reduced drafts and air leaks, quieter indoor spaces. These improvements enhance quality of life, which is difficult to measure but highly valuable. Increased home value and buyer appeal. Energy-efficient upgrades are attractive to buyers. New windows signal a well-maintained, efficient home. They can increase resale appeal, help homes sell faster, add perceived value during appraisals. This is especially beneficial for Dallas homeowners planning to sell in the future. Rebates and incentives may be available. Depending on the window specifications, some energy-efficient windows may qualify for rebates or tax incentives. These programs can help reduce overall costs. A smart investment for Dallas homes. While energy-efficient windows require an upfront investment, they deliver long-term savings, comfort, and value, especially in Dallas's demanding climate. What Dallas homeowners should expect? The cost of energy-efficient windows in Dallas depends on multiple factors, but the return on investment is clear. From lower energy bills and improved comfort to increased home value, these windows offer benefits that extend far beyond their initial price. For Dallas homeowners seeking a practical upgrade that pays off year after year, energy-efficient windows are a smart, future-focused investment.